So, hey everybody, I'm Kelly, I'm the Angel Lady, and I want to remind you of how important the solstices, the equinoxes, the eclipse are. During the eclipse that we all experienced in North America, it was an incredible, powerful opening. You're going to watch a video right now about what was happening. We birthed an entire grid of light around the globe. There was life before the eclipse and life after. It led us into the Lion Gate, and we're continuing to build momentum as we're approaching now the fall equinox. The fall equinox is a bridge, it's an energy between where we were there and where we hit the energy and the frequency of the 144, which will be showing up this year at 12/12/2024, which is a very, very massive, powerful activation for unity consciousness. In order for us to get all the energy going and what we need to step into that 12/12 powerful portal, we first have to pass through the fall equinox, which is the energy in equal measures. And I'm going to be in Glastonbury in the UK, working with that vibration of that twin flame vibration and energy with all of you. So I need you to be there to support us, to be together in unity and in love so that we can get ready for 12/12. So see you at the fall equinox on September 22nd at 1:44 p.m. New York time. In the meantime, check out the eclipse, attune to that vibration, and get ready for the fall equinox.
Hello. We are very delighted to be here and to attune to you on this very special day. For we are so excited that so many people everywhere are all collectively joining together in one event to bring love to the earth. And it is that we are here from the angelic realm and other energies and places to love and adore who it is that you are. For in many respects, as big as this may sound, it is your life now and your life after the solar eclipse. For it is that many changes are coming, and they are quite magnificent and quite beautiful. And it is the reality or the perspective in which you perceive and see the world will be shifting. For you have all collectively chosen for the rules of the game to be a certain way, and you had some fun with that, and it was a good time, but sometimes not so good. And it is that now you are choosing something different. And although you may not be conscious of this new choice that is happening, and many are deeply unconscious as they are very integrated and embedded in a certain way of being, it is all of you who are making this choice from a conscious perspective to hold this frequency of love that will create such a profound shift in the lens and perception of how it is that you begin to see and perceive the world. And so that in which was in place that appeared to be solid or to be real has slowly, as you have noticed, begun to change, and it has become more increasingly difficult to know what is even true and what is not true. And the fabric of what was understood, although it was very stable and for many of you enjoyable to know what was coming, has changed. And so you have learned to be more present in the moment and in the unpredictability. But today is different in that there is a shift in the entire electromagnetic frequency that will be moving and radiating around your planet. And because of this, there will be a deep collapsing of structure and form. This does not mean that you should be worried in any way or that you will notice things collapsing in this now moment, for it will take time to fully dissolve. But it is like pulling out the root of something. And at first, it might appear that the flower is still blooming and that everything is fine. But over time, it will start to disintegrate and dissolve and merge back to where it arrived or came from. And that is what is occurring. You are pulling out the root of a certain way of being. But with that, the energy from that is collapsing within the 0 point frequency back in a sense, into the soil. And inside there is this seed, a seed that you have never seen before, a seed that is brand new, the seed that is formed with new patterns and geometries and ways of being. And it has been dormant and laying in the soil for a long time. And it is so excited to be born, to come up, to be seen. And in many regards, it had been seen before, but it kind of went underneath and was hidden from all of you because you hadn't been looking for it in the right way. But now it has an opportunity to be fed by you and by your love and by the elements, to be nourished again and to feel safe enough to rise up and to be embedded with your consciousness. And in doing that, it will present itself and you will start to recognize that things in your experience will be changing very rapidly. And even your perception of even what is solid and what is not solid, or what many call a glitching in a sense of the illusion of the matrix, will happen, and you will begin to merge and everything will begin to move together. And so this is a very beautiful, and we have been waiting from where it is that we are for a long time for enough to gather in this type of way with the alignment of these frequencies for this to occur.
Everybody can see through that transmission, we're going through this massive, massive shift and things are collapsing beneath us. And sometimes I can feel a bit unsettling as we're planting that new seed and stepping into this beautiful new vibration. And so I love to connect with Mary Magdalene while we're in this transition to receive support. So I encourage you to listen to this very healing, beautiful activation where she bathes us in light and love and washes us and opens our heart in this light body template activation with Mary Magdalene. It's right here. So go listen to it and enjoy. I love you.